Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your pre-owned 2010 Toyota Matrix. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive hatchback in a classic black sand pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some convenience features inside your hatchback include your vinyl cargo space as well as a full set of winter tires, and the exterior is in great condition. Helping you into your Matrix is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up now. Plenty of space to hop in, as well as that inviting two-tone interior. You have your power windows and your power locks on the side, as well as your power adjustable side mirrors with that cool silver trim. You have these nice soft gray interiors all throughout with that center detailing for added sporty style. Plenty of light coming in, but why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Matrix, simply put your key into the ignition with your foot on the brake. That engine's going to start up for you with that cool ambient lighting. It adds that extra sporty detailing. Taking a look at your kilometers, you do have 87,781. You have a nice clean steering wheel with that sporty trim. Taking a look at your audio system, you do have your CD player on top, you have your AM FM radio, and you also do have your satellite radio as well. Below here you have your climate control with that air conditioning option for when it does get warmer out there. We have your stylish shift knob and that silver trim. Below here you do have your auxiliary and USB imports for any media you want to plug in. You have your handy storage compartments as well as removable pieces, so it's nice and easy to keep clean. You have that leather trim right on your parking brake. In your center console you have some storage space there. We see that cool fan detailing that we know and love about our Toyotas. Inside your glove box, you can hold all the manuals. You'll need to know everything there is to know about your Matrix, as well as storing anything else that you need in your vehicle. Nice, clean interior inside, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Matrix. As you can see, for your convenience, you do have a rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. We have that skid plate on the back, a nice clean bumper. Opening it up now to take a look at all that cargo space available for you. Inside, the lining is easy to keep clean. You do have some storage underneath here for your spare tire and all your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. And you do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case anything larger needs to be carried in your vehicle, which offers up great versatility for your Matrix. Closing it up now, we'll take one more look at the back of your Matrix. Taking one final look at your pre-owned 2010 Toyota Matrix. This fun-to-drive and fuel-efficient vehicle is perfect for your city driving, and with that air conditioning, you can take it on the road on that next trip. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.